In the next episode, the crisis nobody accepts when one of the youngest boy, Afli, suddenly disappears. Everyone will assume the frightened child has run away because he does not want to send to another home. But Aras will notice that if he left behind his favorite jacket and shoes, that detail will convince him that the boy did not plan to escape. While the official blame the confection outside the building, Aras will being searching the narrow street with Layla. Tuman will initially refuse to help, saying Aras is turning every problem into a reason to attack his family. However, Dennis will remind him that if he once protected Tuman when the other child accused him of causing trouble, Tuman will join the search, but he will take a separate route because he does not want Aras to see his concern. Sibnam will use the disappearance to argue that Aras is incapable of protecting the children. She will contact the authority and demand that the remaining boy he remove immediately. Hakam will expose her, say the child must be found before anyone make another decision, and this agreement will deepen the fracture inside the house. Aras will discover that if he had been asking questions about Sarhad during the previous night, a shopkeeper revealed that the child followed a man carrying food toward an abandoned fishing warehouse. When Aras reaching the building, he will find Ify hiding under a broken staircase, but the boy will insist that nobody kidnapped him. He follows Sarhad because he heard him say that Aras' brother was in danger. Effie will explain that Sarhad left the worn house movement before a known man arrived. More importantly, he will hand Aras a small key that Sarhad dropped in his case. They will have a bus station local number crack into it. Before Aras can take Effie back, the man will turn and block the exit. Tuman will arrive from the roof, create a distraction, help them escape through a rear window. Aras will thank him, but Tuman will pretend he only came from at the bus station. Aras and Layla will open the locker and find a school uniform, a map of Istanbul, and a recent photograph a map of Istanbul and a recent photo of Tuman standing outside the Kaya house. On the back, Sarad has written that person watching Tuman is now connected to Hakan. This will change the danger completely. Someone else know the children connection between Aras and Tuman has been following Tuman for weeks.